Are you looking for a perfect website for your gym, yoga studio, or any type of fitness center? Or a blog, CMS, and trendy website for your commercial gym or fitness studio? Introducing GYMFreak TNC, the best Webflow gym, fitness center template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNocde.com. Here you need to search GYMFreak TNC. Take a look at our GYMFreak TNC template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of GYMFreak TNC. GYMFreak TNC has a sleek and trendy design that can be easily customized to reflect your website's unique branding. This Webflow template contains all the elements, pages, and sections that a gym and fitness website should have. GYMFreak TNC provides a consistent browsing experience across all devices, adapts frequently to different screen sizes and devices. Showcase your gym facilities with high-quality video and display your workouts with responsive sliders. You get powerful CMS functionality to share your gym-related content and update it easily. Whether you're an experienced gym owner or just starting your fitness journey, GYMFreak TNC lets you create a website that's as dynamic and results-oriented as your training philosophy. Let's explore our services page. Our service page has clear information for the visitors, which helps them to easily find and cooperate with you on what they really need. This is our unique classroom page. Our classroom page helps you power your fitness journey and get your visitors in the right direction. You will get a video section on this page. This is our gallery page. Immerse your visitors in the beauty of your gym with a stunning visual gallery. Display a collection of high-quality images, capturing precious moments that bring a touch of elegance to your website. After that, you will find a schedules page. This is where you can give potential clients a sneak peek at the classes you offer, and the trainers who will guide them on their fitness journey. You can easily display class schedules and trainer profiles and highlight their specialties. Then, you will get the pricing page. Our pricing page ensures transparency with toggle options, and helps potential customers choose the package that best suits their needs. This is our blog page. This template's engaging blog page is designed with precision to make it easy for visitors to find and read the blog they are looking for. Also, your website will attract new visitors for an amazing blog showcase. This is contact page. Clearly display your gym or fitness center's contact information, including address, phone number, and an interactive map, so customers can easily find and reach you. Now, let's see how to use GYMFreak TNC. This is our template, GYMFreak TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Then, you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. Here, I replaced this name from About with our services. You can also change the link, open type, page connection, or URL. After that, you will find the Hero Video section. Here, you can easily change this video by clicking on the Replace Video option. You will also get the option of Loop Video, Autoplay Video, and Play Pause button. Then, you can easily customize or change this heading and title text. Here I just select the text and replaced it with, Welcome. After that, here I replaced and write, ThemeNocde LLC. Then you can also change this paragraph in the same way. Here I write, This is for learning. See how easy to customize this template. After that, let's customize this button. Here, I change the button name from Join Us to Click Here. You can also change the button link, page connection, open type, preload or URL. Then, you can easily edit or replace these social icons and social links. Just click on the element and get each customizable option. Then, you can easily replace all these images by clicking on the Replace Image option and select your own. After that, this image section has a nice hover effect. Just select the element, and you will get the option to replace all the images as well as the title. Here, I change the title and write, Our Exclusive Tools. Here, you will see our services section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, or delete any of these content, blog or any CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS item management, click the I button of this video, or I can attach the link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. Here I edit and rewrite this footer link. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow gym template, get GYMFreak TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themenocde.com.